Welcome to the video series, an introduction to using Microsoft Teams, brought to you by Progressive Computing, Inc. Part 17, Using Teams on Mobile, Mac, and on the Web. Here's some tips on using Microsoft Teams on mobile and on the Mac, and in the web as well. On the mobile device, I've got 4 good things to know. When using Teams on your mobile, there is a difference between swiping to close the app versus using the sign out feature. The traditional method of closing the app really doesn't close it. Teams will still be running in the background. It's a feature to make sure you are still receiving the benefits of communication. But that could be annoying if you just wanted to do something quick, like make one call. If it remains running, you will start getting chats and other potentially unwanted notifications on your smartphone. To really close the app, you need to select the sign out from inside the app to kill it. Quiet mode. If you like or want Teams to be running all day on your smartphone, then cool, that's your choice. But what happens at night or weekends? Do you want to remain accessible to just any old chat or video call? If not, then consider using the quiet mode feature, which will suppress notifications during off hours, which you can customize and set. D&D settings, or do not disturb. If you are like me, you're in a lot of meetings. Having Teams poke at you during a meeting may or may not be a good thing. Remember to turn your status to D&D before those important meetings and to take it off afterwards. Now, the blur background feature is unfortunately not something on mobile devices at this time. And the real reason is because of the video horsepower that's required. The processing power and the memory requirements to blur your background simply just don't exist on a smartphone yet. Now, there are some compatibility issues that we need to discuss. First, understand that Microsoft is constantly working on features for Teams, but also that other vendors change their software or systems over time. Therefore, it is important to make sure you keep your eye on any sudden loss or gain of functionality. For example, on a Mac, if you want to use the web version of Teams, or Microsoft 365 for that matter, you really should use Chrome instead of Safari, as there are some compatibility issues with the latter. Microsoft Teams and Firefox also don't mix well together. Neither does IE or Internet Explorer 11, especially now that Microsoft has dropped support for it. Again, you're going to want to use either Edge or Chrome. Microsoft Edge is based on open source Chromium technology, which is also the same technology that Google Chrome is based on. So either of those work amazingly well.